Hey babe, welcome back. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Christina DiStefano, and this is little Charlie Maye. Oh, baby, she just woke up from a nap. She's feeling really tired today. We were playing in the snow yesterday, and so, I don't know, I think she may be like have a little cold or something. So she's just gonna chill out on my lap while I record this video. And this is gonna be a shorter video than usual, just simply because I'm on puppy duty and she is a lot of work, and I'm gonna have to take her out to go to the bathroom soon. So this week I wanna talk about if you nurture your home, your home will nurture you back. This is this is the message of my channel, because I feel like many people are unhappy in their lives. And coming from a coaching background, coming from a real estate background, I see firsthand how people can change their environment, change the way their home looks, and change their lives. One of the first things that we had learned about in my coaching certification, this was back in 2010, was if you're unhappy with your life, take a look around your home and see if there are things within your home that are bringing you down. Is there clutter? Is it disorganized? Are there memories of things that you have tucked away, just kind of, oh baby, just kind of taking up space, taking up energy that you don't want to get into? Do you have boxes of things in storage down in the basement, or a closet that's packed to the brim with things? And when you're trying to create a life that you love, like really intentionally create a life that you love, you have to look at your home. You have to look at your home and ask yourself, am I making room for the change that I want in my life? Hi, baby girl. Does that make sense? Like, are you making this space for what you want in your life, or is your home already filled to the brim? Your home is a reflection. It is truly a mirror of your life right now. I used to say when I was younger, before I got into coaching, like this is well into my 20s, I would say that my life was a reflection of my purse, like my handbag, and what it looked like inside. Was it messy? Was it full of receipts? You know, were there things in it that I didn't use? Was I missing some necessary things in my bag? You know, it was like, I really felt like if I was having a crazy busy week, my purse was a crazy busy mess. And I feel like that's the same for your home. So yeah, we're always gonna have weeks where things get crazy, things get messy. If you could see the way this place looks right now, maybe if I'm brave enough, I will share a shot with you. But there are puppy toys all over. I mean, I literally have had like a little tornado come through here, because even though she's really chill right now, she is a little fireball. She's my little Sagittarius corgi. Yeah. All right, so here is the living room. I thought I would be brave and I thought I would show you what it looks like. There are puppy things everywhere. This is pretty tame right now, but you see like puppy stuff everywhere. I'm learning how to train Charlie Maye. I'm learning how to potty train her. I've just spent all this time at home so I could help get her like on the right foot. How are you feeling? Oh yeah, you're a sleepy girl. You're a sleepy girl. Sorry, this has been my world. She's my world right now. So we didn't get a chance to go through Pinterest and pick up a bunch of images and things like that I would normally spend, hours like combing through and looking for you. Baby girl, you gotta go to the bathroom? I think she might have to go to the bathroom. Okay, so in summary, I really just wanted you to meet Charlie Maye. I didn't want to skip a video. I promised that I would share the surprise with you this week. And also, just take some time to look around your house this week. You are the cutest little girl. You are so sweet. I don't even know if you could see her. She's like on my lap. I love you so. I love you so. Sorry, babes. She's just so cute, and she's got a little cold from the snow. Yeah, you got a little cold. You stuck your nose in the snow a little too much. Oops, come back up, come back up. Okay, we're gonna go out.
She loves to play in the snow. She loves to play in the snow. You are so cute. You are such a little cutie.
All right, babes. So I just wanted to share that with you. This is not like the typical video if you're new here. If you are new here and you didn't catch my video last week or the week before, you should definitely check those out. We'll have a full-on video next week, but I really just wanted to take a moment to come back to that message. If you nurture your home, if you nurture your home will nurture you back. And, you know, invest time in your home, invest time in your space, because it really does have an impact on you. Look at what can you remove from your home? What is not conducive to the life that you actually want to live? What do you need in your life? How can your home support you in the life that you want to live? Are there things you can remove? Are there things you should bring in? Do you need more natural light? Do you need plants? Do you need to kind of make a more cohesive color palette? Start looking at things like that, write about them in your design journal, and we will regroup next week. All right, babe, sending you so much love from New York. Say ciao, Charlie. Ciao. Big kisses, big kisses. Mwah. Bye. Oh, good girl, let's go potty.